Here we have another Python data type is called tuples. Tuples also a sequence or series of values which is an immutable Python objects, which means once that the tuple is defined, we cannot change the value of the tuple. It will be like a series of or sequence of value very similar to the list, but only thing is the values present in the tuples cannot be changed, whereas in the list we could able to change the values present in the list. We can able to append into the list, we can able to remove from the list, but tuples or immutable objects and it cannot be changed in the runtime. If suppose we wanted to change the different thing, you have to redefine the tuple again. The tuple uses the parenthesis to declare the tuple, and it has the different functions like len, max, min and tuple sequence, or the one which provides the tuple operations over here. We can define a tuple over here, and I'm going to define the tuple, and I'm going to define tuple equals something like, maybe we can define something like subjects is the tuple name and open and close parenthesis, and I'm going to do like Tamil and then English, and then we have an Hindi, and then we have an max over here. This defines a tuple, and we can able to print the tuple with the same like print, which provides all the index and information provides over here. And we can do that print handling something like print sub of 0, which provides the first 0th element, and maybe we can do something like 1:3, so that the first element, second element and third element will be get printed. Up to third element it will be get printed. For example, English and Hindi got printed over here, and the starting point is 3 and ending point is 1 and ending point index is 3. It got printed with the English and Hindi over here. And we can use the function len, which to get that the size of the tuple. Currently it was defined with the 4 elements, Tamil, English, Hindi and max. It provides a length of 4, and we can get the max of sub. For example, another all rest of the things or starts with the English, which is E is the lower, and H, M, and then we have the T is the biggest, which is present over here. Whenever we are comparing the maximum present inside the tuple, it provides the Tamil over here. And if suppose minimum, we can do that with the subjects, and which is an English. E is the lowest one over here in the sequence. And we can use something like a kind of a tuple of sequence over here, tuple of subject, that provides the output of complete tuple sequence of subject defined here. And maybe we can copy this to another tuple. For example, s equals tuple of subjects over here, and we put a print of s, then we will got that the tuple sequence. And if suppose we wanted to add 2 tuples, we can able to do that. For example, I have another one, subject 1, which has something like physics, and then chemistry, and then we have something like biology over here, and we can add two tuples, something like a equals subject plus subject 1, which provides the output print of a, which something like two tuples got added. The subject Tamil, English, Hindi, Max is the subject tuple SUB, and physics, chemistry, and biology is the tuple of sub 1. Both get added, and it got created with the tuple of 7 elements, that we can able to check len of a, which is 7 elements we have over here. And if suppose we wanted to check whether our anything is present in that particular tuple or not, for example, I am going to check whether history is present in tuple A or not, which is false. Since history is not present, maybe we can do Tamil in A, which is true. The tuple contains element value of Tamil is present inside the tuple, basically. That we can able to do that. For example, if suppose we wanted to check whether that particular value is present in that particular tuple or not, that can be achieved with the help of in keyword over here. And we have the option something, we can concatenate two tuples with the plus addition symbol, that we can able to concatenate two tuples, sub 1 and creating another tuple over here. And apart from this, we can have something like a tuple of, I'm going to have high is the tuple, and I'm going to do multiplication into 2, which provides high 2 times it has been created. Like that, we can able to play with the tuples over here. The same way we can do 3 times it has been added with the high. Like that, we can update that tuple accordingly over here. Basically, the tuple is very similar to list, but the thing is, whatever be the value which is present inside the tuple or immutable, which cannot be changed during the runtime. This provides a brief information or introduction about the tuple. We will do that implementation with the tuple and play with the tuple of using the Python programming in the later point of time.